Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to share your location on WhatsApp. So to do this, you have just to go to your WhatsApp account, open it and go to the conversation where you want to send your location. Click on the paperclip icon on the bottom of the screen. And after that, as you can see, there is an option called location. Click on it and give the authorization for your phone to share your location. And after that, it will give you like your actual location. You have just click on share live location and click continue and choose the time for how long you want to share your location. For example, I will choose 15 minutes and click on send. And as you can see, I sent my location to that person. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like this video and see you in the next one.